So, it had to be then very gratifying to you to realize that all of us, of course, we're all being used every day
Hmm.
through God's will,
Most definitely.
then to triumph as you have, and it's not just the triumph of the current remission, but to triumph each and every day
Yes, it is.
and to call upon that faith.
Right.
Talk about that just for a moment.
And yeah, that's one thing that I did learn through this experience. And of course, the other experience I've had, I've met some wonderful people through the Cancer Center. You know, both caregivers and both patients that are over there. And while you're receiving your treatments, you're usually in there for several hours.
Uh-huh.
And you have a lot of time to talk to one another. And there's a great opportunity to talk about the Lord and all the different experiences that different people have that are going through this disease. You know, but I think what it is, it has shown me that even the smallest things in your life, you need to give them to the Lord. You need to depend on the Lord to guide you. If you have to make a decision in your life, if you are confused about a direction that you want to go in, then the best thing to do is pray about it. And then if you have friends, hopefully that you do, ask them to pray for you and to help you. You know, prayer works.
Did you see yourself in any of those comments? If you did, or if you just have a couple of questions, please come join us at St. Peter and St. Paul. We'd love to meet you and work and walk with you. Thank you.